In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters to find tasks quickly. When you're working with a long list of tasks, it can get overwhelming really fast. Scrolling up and down to find the one thing you need is not only frustrating, it's also a big time waster. That's where filters come in. Filters help you instantly narrow down your view, so you only see the tasks that matter to you right now. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on using the quick filter option to speed up how you navigate your workspace. Even if you're new to the platform, don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect on screen, so you can follow along step by step. First, make sure you're on a page where your tasks are visible, such as your main project board, task list, or any view that displays individual items. At the top of this view, you'll see a toolbar with several icons and controls. Among these icons, look for the one labeled Quick Filter, or an icon that looks like a funnel. This is the button that allows you to quickly apply filters without going deep into advanced settings. Now, move your cursor to that area and click on the Quick Filter icon above your task list. As soon as you click it, a small panel or drop-down should appear. This panel usually contains options like status, assignee, due date, priority, and possibly other custom fields, depending on how your workspace is set up. You're not changing any data here. You're simply telling the system which tasks you want to see. The idea is to use this quick filter whenever you want to focus. For example, you might click it to show only tasks assigned to you, only tasks due this week, or only tasks that are still open. You can usually combine more than one filter, like tasks assigned to you that are due today, to create a very targeted view. One helpful tip: if your list suddenly looks empty after you apply a filter, don't panic. It usually just means no tasks match the criteria you chose. In that case, open the quick filter again and clear or adjust your selections. You'll immediately see your tasks reappear. Try making a habit of clicking the quick filter icon whenever you feel lost in a sea of tasks. Over time, this